Apple is officially killing the bulky Apple Watch Ultra design you know and love, shrinking the chassis by 15% and packing an entirely new 8-sensor biometric ring on the back. But before you celebrate the Apple Watch Ultra 4, this complete ground-up redesign is about to completely destroy the trade-in value of the watch currently sitting on your wrist. If you just dropped $800 on an Ultra 2 or Ultra 3, you made a massive financial mistake. Because key industry analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo and Mark Gurman have leaked the exact supply chain schematics for September 2026, and they prove Apple is engineering a wearable so advanced, it makes everything else look like an absolute relic. We are talking about the first true generational leap since the original model launched in 2022, and the financial shockwaves of this upgrade are going to force you into a very difficult buying decision this fall. Let me break down exactly what the supply chain is saying right now, because no other leaker is talking about this one specific detail regarding the titanium casing. According to deep supply chain reports from DigiTimes and Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is finally ditching the thick, sleeve-snagging silhouette for a radically thinner Grade 5 titanium forged chassis. We are looking at a full 15% reduction in overall thickness. That sounds like a minor aesthetic tweak on paper, but for your daily comfort, wrist fatigue, and long-term return on investment, it is absolutely massive. The current 49mm design is undeniably powerful, but let us be honest, it is aggressively chunky. You know it, I know it, and Apple certainly knows it. It constantly bangs against door frames. It gets caught on tight dress shirts. It pinches your wrist when you flex your hand, and it loudly screams fitness tracker in formal environments. By slimming down the chassis, Apple is finally bridging the gap between a hardcore rugged tool and a luxury timepiece you can actually wear to a high-level boardroom meeting without getting sideways glances. But here is the massive underlying problem for current Apple Watch owners. The exact second this slimmer, sleeker Ultra 4 hits the physical Apple Store shelves, the secondary market for the older, thicker models is going to instantly crash. Your trade-in value is going to plummet overnight because nobody on the used market wants to buy the heavy, outdated brick when the sleek, modern new model exists. If you are currently holding on to an older Ultra hoping to sell it privately to fund your next upgrade, you need to list it weeks before the September keynote even happens, or you are going to lose hundreds of dollars in depreciation. But here is where Apple is trying to trick us. They desperately want you focused entirely on the thinner design so you completely ignore what is happening underneath the hood, specifically with the silicon architecture. We are expecting the brand new TSMC 3nm S12 silicon chip inside the Ultra 4. Why does that matter so much for your wallet? It all comes down to raw power efficiency. Leaks from the manufacturing line are pointing to a massive 15% to 20% drop in power consumption compared to the previous S11 chip. Now, Apple has always prioritized chip efficiency over just throwing a massive, heavy battery inside the watch casing. But the S12 chip takes this philosophy to a totally different level. A thinner chassis naturally means there is less physical room for a thick battery cell. Apple absolutely cannot afford to sacrifice that legendary multi-day battery life that makes the Ultra lineup famous in the first place. So, they are heavily relying on the S12 chip to do the heavy energy-saving lifting. This chip is so power efficient that even with a potentially smaller physical battery, the watch will still easily hit that 36-hour baseline and maybe even stretch much further when using low-power mode. This is exactly what makes the Ultra 4 such a brilliant long-term review investment. You are not just paying a premium pricing markup for a shiny new casing. You are buying bleeding-edge 3nm architecture that guarantees lightning-fast processing speeds and major system updates for years to come. Speaking of localized processing, we absolutely have to talk about Apple Intelligence and how it physically runs on your wrist. Mark Gurman has been very vocal about Apple's massive internal push to bring heavy AI workloads directly onto the local device rather than constantly relying on a slow cloud network. The S12 chip is engineered with a vastly upgraded neural engine specifically designed to process upcoming watchOS features completely offline. We are talking about localized, lightning-fast Siri requests that happen instantly, real-time live translation when traveling abroad, and predictive health analytics that never leave your personal device. The privacy implications are massive, but the actual day-to-day speed improvements are what truly justify the premium pricing. You are essentially strapping a high-end smartphone processor directly to your wrist. If you look at the hidden costs of relying on cloud processing, like rapid battery drain, heavy cellular data usage, and annoying network latency, the S12 chip solves every single one of them by doing all the heavy math locally. This alone makes the Ultra 4 a completely different beast compared to anything running older silicon. Now let us pivot to the most explosive leak in this entire package, which is the radical change to the rear sensor array. Reports from DigiTimes confirm Apple is completely redesigning the entire rear sensor system from scratch. They are moving away from the standard central sensor layout we have seen for years and introducing an advanced 8-sensor biometric ring spread widely across the ceramic backplate. This is not just a minor hardware bump or an incremental feature update. This is the exact, high-end hardware required for true cuffless blood pressure monitoring. Apple has been dumping billions of R&D dollars into this specific medical feature for years, and the Ultra 4 is finally the exact device that brings it to the mass market. Right now, current Apple Watches can only identify long-term hypertension trends over a broad 30-day period using the existing optical heart sensor. That is fine for basic wellness tracking, but it is not true, real-time blood pressure monitoring. This new 8-sensor array is reportedly under active FDA review right now. It is custom designed to analyze exactly how your blood vessels respond to each individual heartbeat in real time, delivering immediate, actionable alerts to your screen when an abnormal spike or dangerous pattern is detected. It is certainly not going to completely replace a clinical medical cuff, but getting an instant notification directly from your wrist that your blood pressure is dangerously spiking could quite literally save your life. From a buying decision standpoint, this feature alone completely destroys the value proposition of a standard Apple Watch. Why would you spend $400 on a base model when the Ultra 4 acts as a proactive, localized medical monitor? The return on investment for your personal health makes the high price tag incredibly easy to justify. So, what are we getting instead on our wrists? The Ultra 4 is going to utilize a highly refined, variable 1Hz LTPO3 OLED display architecture. It is going to be incredibly bright, easily hitting that 3000 nits threshold outdoors, and maybe even pushing all the way to 3500 nits under direct sunlight. But because Apple lost so much capital on the dead MicroLED project, there is a very high probability they will attempt to recoup those massive corporate losses by quietly raising the retail base price of the Ultra 4. Do not be shocked if you see an $849 or even an $899 starting price at the keynote. This is exactly why you need to analyze the hidden costs before you blindly place a pre-order. You are essentially paying extra to cover their internal R&D failures. If you are a hardcore hiker, an outdoor enthusiast, or you regularly go off-grid where cell towers do not exist, this offline mapping integration is the exact feature you have been demanding for years. You will be able to download detailed, massive topographical maps directly to the watch's internal storage, which is rumored to see a huge bump up to 128 GB, allowing you to navigate deep wilderness completely independently. When you combine this off-grid satellite mapping with a 15% thinner design and the extreme power efficiency of the S12 chip, you have the ultimate standalone survival device. So, what is the ultimate buying decision here? My best opinion about this product is that it represents a massive, undeniable leap forward, but you must be smart about how you spend your hard-earned money. If you are currently wearing an original Apple Watch Ultra from 2022, your battery health is likely degrading, your internal processor is multiple generations behind, and your chassis is undeniably massive. The upcoming Ultra 4 is the exact, perfect upgrade cycle you have been waiting for. The thinner Grade 5 titanium design, the 3nm S12 efficiency, the 8-sensor biometric ring, and the offline AI capabilities make this the most aggressive hardware leap in wearable history. Are you truly, deeply bothered by the thickness of your current watch? If the answer is no, save your money. Keep the Ultra 2 firmly on your wrist for another year and let the early adopters eat the potential price hike and beta test the brand new, FDA-reviewed sensors. Because the exact moment you swipe your credit card for the Ultra 4, you are locking yourself into Apple's brand new hardware ecosystem and potential subscription trap. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your tech-loving friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the future of tech.